Okay, as we look at our problem on example 1b, you're going to notice that we've got to match up our arctangent this time. So in our arctangent, you notice that it's the integral of du all over a squared plus u squared all equals 1 over a arctangent of u over a plus c. And so on the second problem right here, the indicator that you can kind of see is, of course, you don't have that square root sign. And so that kind of tells you that you're looking at a arctangent problem. So when you're looking at an arctangent problem, again, find out what your u is and find out what your a is. And so when you have this integral of the dx of 2 plus 9x squared, and I'll go ahead and open up this whiteboard here, and hopefully I'll be able to write on it okay. But it says we got the integral, and then it says we have dx, and that's going to be all over 2 plus 9x squared. So I'm going to go ahead and let my a squared equal 2. And so that means when I take the square root of both sides, I get a equals the square root of 2. And then I'm going to go ahead and let my u squared equal 9x squared. And so when I take the square root of both sides, I get u all equals 3x. And so when I take that derivative, du, that's going to be equal to 3. So it looks like I'm missing my 3, so when I rewrite my integral, I've got the integral, and I'm going to put in my 3 dx, and that's going to be all over 2 plus my 9x squared. So that means out front here I'm missing, since I put in a 3, I got to go ahead and insert a 1/3. So now that I've matched it up, you'll notice that the integral is equal to 1 over a, the arctangent, of u over a plus c. So once you've got it matched up, it's actually just a matter of substituting it back in. So notice I still have my 1/3 out front, and then my u over a becomes my 1 all over my square root of 2. Then I still have my arctangent, and then that u I substitute in, and that u was 3x all over my square root of 2 plus c. Now simplifying that down, I got 1 all over 3 square root of 2 arctangent of 3x all over the square root of 2 plus c. And that'll be your answer to that problem. So just make sure you use your u and your a to match it all up.